Hi guys, this is Danny, studying in Carnegie Institute of Technology and Sciences, BTech second year. I want to show you the components of rain detection with alarm. This is a switch. It is a device used to interrupt or divert the current from one conductor to another, that is to turn power on and off to a circuit. The next one, 9-volt battery. The flat battery is used as a power source for the rain detector electronic circuit. The next one is PCB. Printed circuit board is used as a rain sensing device in this electronic circuit. Next one, buzzer. Buzzer or beeper. This is a piezoelectric type audio signaling device. It is widely used in electronic alarming circuits. Next one is LED. A light emitting diode is a two LED semiconductor light source. It is a PN junction diode that emits light when activated. Last one, transistor BC547. This is a NPN bipolar transistor. It is mainly used for amplification and switching purposes. Thank you.